In Ainon Town, Clarendon, the bleating of goats has been replaced by an eerie silence. Farmers say since the passage of Hurricane Melissa, healthy animals have been dying with no clear explanation. This evening, one farmer's heartbreaking account of loss and a promise from the Agriculture Minister to look into the matter. Sandy Williams was in the parish and now reports.
This goat pen is quiet now. No bleating, no bustle, just the sharp smell of what was left behind. Where goats once packed the space shoulder to shoulder, only droppings remain. A grim reminder that the herd has been reduced to little more than traces. A pen that was once full of life is now simply bearing the scatters of what used to be. While in the field, kid goats stand unsteadily. They nibble at grass without strength. It's a fragile scene, life still present but fading.
This field should be full of goats, but instead, right now, only 6 remain. Now, farmers say after Hurricane Melissa passed, healthy animals began falling ill and dying, wiping out years of hard work in just days.
For farmer Alicia Barnett, the nightmare began just 1 week after Hurricane Melissa.
I bring them out on the farm a week after because the place was wet. So I didn't want to take any chance carrying them out on the field, knowing that they don't like wet places. So after bringing them on the field, I noticed that one of them started sitting down, not getting up at all, but he was eating healthy.
At first, it was just one goat. Then the signs became impossible to ignore.
So I pulled the rope to pull him up, and he get up and fell back to the ground. So I reach out and put my hands underneath and lift him, and he still won't stand. I noticed underneath his belly was wet. I said, no, something is wrong. So I watched it until in the night because I couldn't sleep. In the day, I said, you know what, I'm going to take him out again and try him on the common. When I took him over there, about 12 o'clock to be precise, I went back to check on him. He was lying on his side again. So I said, no, this goat with substance coming from its nose.
Alicia is not alone. Several farmers in the area have similar accounts. Despite efforts moving the goats from sun to shade, feeding, watching through sleepless nights, the animals kept falling.
In the evening, he died. The other morning again, I come out. I saw the kid, that one kid, in the same condition. But that one didn't make it over to the farm. He died in there. And in the night, another one died. And they keep going like that with the same symptoms and the same fluid coming from the nose.
One by one, Alicia buried her goats, not just animals, but years of careful breeding.
It was 17 goats in all, with kids. And now I only have 4 remaining with 2 kids, but the 2 kids not looking that healthy either. They were healthy, but start to look funny. So I don't know what else to do.
Most of the animals were hybrids, brought to improve stock and income, some costing up to $85,000 each. Alicia estimates her losses at nearly $1 million. When contacted, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green said the matter will be looked into.
Without swift testing and intervention, the answers may come too late. For farmers, this empty pen is more than a loss. It's the collapse of a livelihood built over years. I'm Sandy Williams for TVJ News.